Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. 87 and 90 gasoline will each sell for $3.06 more. That is, $3.06 will be added to automotive diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel. The price of kerosene will also increase by $3.06. Propane will sell for 58 cents more, while butane will go up by 25 cents. Meanwhile, oil prices settled higher today after a fire on a pipeline from Iraq to Turkey briefly stopped flows, increasing concerns about an already tight short-term supply outlook. A senior security source reported that the explosion, which set off the fire on the pipeline in a southeastern Turkish province, was caused by a collapsed transmission tower and not an attack. Now, Brent crude futures settled up 93 cents at $88.44 a barrel. Early in the session, the global benchmark touched $89.13 per barrel, its highest since October 2014. Now, on to some investment news. Sagicor Group Jamaica has completed the purchase of bonds issued by LNG supplier New Fortress Energy's subsidiary NFE South Power Holdings. President and CEO of Sagicor Group Christopher Zaka says the multi-million US dollar investment will be used to finance NFE South Power Holdings' combined heat and power plant in Halls Hall, Clarendon.
Sagicor Jamaica is happy to have completed our anchor investment of US $100 million, the equivalent of over 15 billion Jamaican dollars, in a bond issued by NFE South Power Holdings. And we look forward, through Sagicor Investments, to arranging and brokering the sale of the remainder of the US $285 million bond offering. This investment closes phase one of the transaction, which represents one of the largest corporate financing deals in Jamaica's history.
The plant currently supplies electricity to the Jamaica Public Service Company, JPS, and major energy-reliant entities on the island. Now to some banking news. Scotiabank Jamaica's Senior Vice President and Head of Insurance and Wealth, Dr. Adrian Stokes, has resigned. He will demit office on February 18, 2022. Scotiabank says Dr. Adrian Stokes will be leaving the business to pursue other opportunities. He's been with Scotiabank since 2010. Now, when Dr. Stokes leaves office in February, Gary Vaughan White, Scotiabank Senior Vice President in charge of Treasury, will act as head of Scotia Insurance Jamaica. Now on to the currency market. The US dollar is being sold for an average $156.44. $122.96 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $214.28 for the pound, and the euro is costing an average $182.02. Meanwhile, the JSE index lost 543 points today, while the junior market index declined by 15 points. Among today's winners were Margaritaville Turks, KLE Group, Cygnus Real Estate Finance Jamaican dollar shares, Access Financial Services, and Spurtree Spices Jamaica, while on the losing side were ISP Finance Services, Lasco Financial Services, GWest Corporation Ordinary Shares, Express Catering, and Caribbean Assurance Brokers. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Stay with us. Regional and international news are after the break.